And for this we are using only two things, actually three. First of all, for Oreos, this is the second one.
Now we're gonna crush this using a spoon or anything you like. So it's almost done. Now we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of milk in it. We'll add a bit more because the first one wasn't properly added. Now
We will add a bit Nutella to make it more chocolatey and tasty. So we're gonna add a bit Nutella in it to make it chocolatey. Now we're gonna add it into the microwave for a minute. It's done. Ta-da!